In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video inside text in CapCut on PC. This effect is a great way to make your titles look more dynamic and professional. And the good news is that it's actually pretty simple once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through each step slowly so you can follow along in your own project. First, open CapCut on your computer and create a new project. Import the video that you want to use as the background, or the main part of your edit, and drag it onto the timeline. This will be the clip that plays while your text effect appears on top. Make sure your video is long enough to cover the full duration of the text effect you're planning to create. Next, we're going to add some text. Go to the text section in CapCut. Choose Add Text and type in the word or phrase where you want the video to appear inside. Try to keep the text fairly bold and simple because thin or very decorative fonts can make the video inside harder to see. Position the text in the frame where you want it to appear, usually somewhere near the center so it stands out. Now, adjust the size of the text by dragging the corners until it's big enough to clearly show movement from the video inside it. At this point, you can also change the font style and alignment. Remember, bold and thick fonts usually give the best result for this kind of effect. Once the text is in place, we'll add the video that will appear inside the letters. Import the clip you want to show through the text and drag it onto a track above the text layer in the timeline. Make sure this video layer is directly above the text and covers the same duration, so the effect stays consistent. With the video layer selected, go to the editing or blending options and look for something like Mask, Text Mask, or Overlay Inside Text, depending on your version of CapCut. Choose the option that lets the underlying text act as a window. When applied correctly, the video on the upper track will only be visible inside the shapes of your text, while the rest of the frame shows whatever is underneath, such as your background video or a solid color. If needed, you can reposition or scale the video inside the text so that the most interesting part of the clip appears within the letters. Play back your timeline to make sure everything lines up smoothly. When you're happy with it, export your video and you're done. That's how you add video inside text in CapCut on PC.